Welcome to Salient Training's Job Aid videos. In this segment, we'll show you how to prepare for a Salient Certification Training session by setting up TeamViewer. If you follow the steps in this video, you should have no TeamViewer issues when your training class begins, and you'll be able to quickly connect to your server. So let's get started. We'll begin by going to the TeamViewer website to download the TeamViewer application. So open your web browser and go to teamviewer.com. Now, this website landing page may change, it might look different, but your overall goal here is to locate and download the free version of the TeamViewer full client. So I'm going to look for a link that says free download. I see one up here in the top right. I want to make sure I'm getting the free one. I'm not going to pay for this. So on the selection page, I'm going to click the download for free. And if you're prompted, you're going to have to verify your country's location so that you get the correct software. I'm in the US, so I'll click on that. And then you select your operating system from the options here. So I select Windows, and again, I'm looking for this one right here, the TeamViewer Full Client. So I'll select that for download. And when it finishes, go ahead and run that installer. And once that installer is going, you can go ahead and choose the default installation, select Next, and let it go. Once the install finishes, you'll have to accept the EULA and the DPA. And that should bring you to this screen. This is the TeamViewer login screen. In order to control your training server, you must either log in with an existing TeamViewer account or create a new one. If you don't have a TeamViewer account, you cannot control another computer, but the account is free. So if you don't have one, click the sign up link here and create your account. Once your TeamViewer account is set up, or if you already have an account, select the Sign into TeamViewer link, enter your account email address, select Continue, enter your password, and select Sign In. Once you're logged in, you should see the default screen, which is the remote sessions. If you're on a different screen, just select the remote sessions icon here on the left to get here. So on the morning of your Salient Certification Training, when you join the Zoom meeting, your instructor will have a PowerPoint slide with your name and your assigned server with the TeamViewer partner ID and password. You're going to take that information, go to TeamViewer, make sure you're on the remote session screen, and towards the bottom of that, you'll see a link to connect to another computer using the classic TeamViewer ID and password. Click the Connect Here link, and then enter in the partner ID provided by your instructor, select Connect, and we're going to wait for a password prompt. There it is. Enter the password, and then log on to your lab server. Once you're connected to your lab server, there's a few things I'll show you that will help with your training class experience. First, you're going to want to clear this black screen so that you can see the server desktop background. To do that, go up to the top menu here, find the View tab, click on that, and then just click on Hide Wallpaper here. That'll remove this check mark. And it'll show your desktop background that has your IP address, some login credentials you use throughout the day. Now another is the TeamViewer tab over here in the bottom right. Where it's positioned, it will block some areas of the complete view UI, but you don't need to have this right here. You can move this anywhere up and down, and you can also minimize it. Now, finally, if you have any connection issues with the server, like latency, things not responding to your input in TeamViewer, closing and reconnecting to your server usually fixes the issue. You can close TeamViewer by selecting the End Session icon right here in the top right, and that will exit out. All you need to do now is once you've connected to a system, you can choose Connect and then enter in your password. It may save it, log back in, and I'm connected back up to that server. I can clear that wallpaper, minimize, and continue with class. So that's all the basics you'll need to get connected with TeamViewer for Salient Training's classes. If you found this video helpful, follow us for more job aid and user training videos. If you have an idea for a future video, let us know by sending an email to training@salientsys.com. Thanks for watching.